Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making chicken meatballs. You will need the following ingredients: onion middle size, egg, garlic, zucchini, ground chicken and cilantro. Let's get started. I'll start to dice the onion and already diced zucchini. Cilantro, I'll cut the stem off, separate branches and chop them. Add vegetable oil into the pan, then chopped onion. A few steps for chicken meatballs. Add cilantro to a glass bowl, egg, minced garlic cloves, and don't forget to add salt and pepper, just 1 or 2 pinches. Cook onion for 5 to 7 minutes. Chopped onion, stirring frequently until desired softness and color is reached. Add zucchini on a hot pan for 2-3 minutes and mix vegetables all together. When vegetables are ready, reduce the heat to medium or medium-low. Mix well all ingredients in the mixing bowl. Again, add vegetable oil to the pan. Once mixed, roll the mixture in the medium-sized bowl and place it on the pan. Don't disturb for 3 minutes till to brown well. Then turn, cooking another 3 minutes without disturbing. Keep cooking until browned and cooked on all sides, but still juicy and plump with the springs to the top. Chicken meatballs are ready, and you can see brown sides and all pieces are fully cooked. Healthy chicken meatballs so easy to make and everyone loves them. You can decide what to serve with them. At this moment I prefer vegetables. Thanks for watching and find the full written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like button, follow, and I will share new simple food recipe with you.